Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of ExpressTaxExempt, a platform that promises to make things easier. If you're a non-profit organization or you're part of a tax-exempt group, you probably know how complex and time-consuming tax filing can be. In this detailed review, we'll go through everything you need to know about this platform, from its features, its pricing, to its pros and cons, and we'll get to know ultimately if it's worth it in 2025. So let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what ExpressTaxExempt actually is and who it's for. If you're new to non-profit tax filing, then this is for you. ExpressTaxExempt is a cloud-based tax filing software specifically built for non-profit organizations, charities, private foundations, and other tax-exempt entities. The platform is authorized by the IRS, meaning you can directly e-file your tax returns without worrying about compliance issues. It's designed to help organizations meet their annual reporting requirements while minimizing errors, avoiding penalties, and reducing paperwork. So here's why this is a big deal. Non-profits have specific IRS reporting obligations, and failing to file correctly or on time can lead to fines or even a loss of tax-exempt status. That's where ExpressTaxExempt steps in, making sure everything is done correctly. The platform isn't just about tax filing, it also provides tools for record keeping, data management, and multi-user collaboration, which is a huge plus for organizations that work with teams. Another big benefit? No downloads or installations required. You can do everything online from anywhere, making tax season a little less stressful. So now that we have a clear picture of what ExpressTaxExempt is and what it does, let's go over the features and let's set it apart. Now let us talk about the main features of the ExpressTaxExempt. E-filing for multiple forms. ExpressTaxExempt supports a wide range of non-profit tax forms, including Form 990, the long form return for organizations with gross receipts of $200,000 or more. Form 990EZ, a simpler version for organizations with receipts between $50,000 and $200,000. Form 990N, e-postcard. It's a quick electronic-only filing for smaller nonprofits with receipts under $50,000. Form 990PF, it is specifically for private foundations. From 990T, for reporting unrelated business income. Form 1120 POL, for organizations involved in political activities. So, no matter the size or type of your organization, there's a form here that fits your needs. Auto-generated schedules. It is a huge time saver. Instead of manually figuring out what schedules are needed, ExpressTaxExempt automatically generates and attaches the required IRS schedules based on the information you enter. Data import and transfer. If you have filed a 990 form with ExpressTaxExempt in the past, you can transfer previous year's data with just a few clicks. And even if you've used another provider, you can still import Form 990EZ data easily. Bulk data upload. If your organization deals with large amounts of donation and contribution records, this feature is a lifesaver. Instead of manually entering everything, you can bulk upload data via an Excel template, saving tons of time. Internal audit check. Before you hit submit, ExpressTaxExempt runs an internal audit to flag potential errors, helping you avoid IRS rejections. Multi-user access and role management. For organizations where multiple people handle tax filings, the platform allows multi-user access with different permission levels, and this is great for teamwork and compliance. Amendment returns. Did you make a mistake? No worries. If you need to correct a previously filed return, ExpressTaxExempt allows you to file an amendment. And if your original return was filed through them, the first amendment is free. Live customer support. If you get stuck, the phone, email, and live chat support ensures you have help when you need it. Now let us talk about the pricing. Unlike some competitors that charge subscription fees, ExpressTaxExempt follows a pay-per-return pricing model, meaning you only pay when you file a return. Basically, the fee starts at $19.90 per return, with cost increasing based on the complexity of the form. It is $19.990 for Form 990N, it is $99.9 for Form 990EZ, and $169.9 for Form 990PF. There are no hidden fees, no monthly charges, and this is a plus for budget-conscious nonprofits. Overall, it is cost-effective, especially for small and mid-sized organizations. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using ExpressTaxExempt. First, we talk about the pros. User-friendly interface. The step-by-step guidance makes filing simple. Comprehensive form support. It covers all key nonprofit forms. Affordable and transparent pricing. Error checking features, which helps avoid IRS rejections. And multi-user access, which is great for teams. How about the cons? Learning curve for new users. Some first-time users might take time to get familiar. Limited state filing support. While it helps with federal filings, state nonprofit tax forms aren't e-filed directly through the platform. So here's the big question: is ExpressTaxExempt worth using in 2025? If you are a nonprofit looking for an affordable, user-friendly, and IRS-compliant way to file taxes, then absolutely. Its features make the filing process efficient, and the pay-per-return pricing keeps costs manageable. However, if you're looking for built-in state tax filing or a more traditional tax software, you might want to explore alternatives. So if you're trying to look for other alternatives, you may explore TaxSlayer Pro, Drake Software, and Pro Series by Intuit. That wraps up our detailed review of ExpressTaxExempt. I hope this provides you with everything you need to know. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.